Operate and maintain detective and preventative measures. Firewall in a building is a barrier to prevent fire. Firewall is used to prevent unauthorized data flow from one area of the network to another. Firewall is designed to permit approved traffic to transit between two environments. Data coming into and out of the private network must pass through the firewall. Firewall examines and inspects each packet and blocks those that do not match specified security criteria. An intrusion is a violation of security policy. An intrusion detection system, IDS, is a system responsible for detecting unauthorized access or attacks against systems and networks. An intrusion detection system, IDS, can be a standalone device or exist in the functionality within a firewall. An intrusion detection system, IDS, is to monitor network traffic and/or compare file hashes. If something is suspicious, then intrusion detection system will alert, but an intrusion detection system traditionally will not actively act to prevent the threat. Intrusion detection system doesn't stop intruders, but intrusion prevention system stop intruders. An intrusion prevention system, IPS, is a system responsible for preventing attacks. When an attack begins, an IPS takes actions to prevent and contain the attack. Whitelisting is the principle of denying everything except that which is expressly permitted. Blacklisting is the principle of allowing everything except that which is expressly denied. Third-party security services provides a third party that specializes in security, have a highly trained staff that is dealing with incidents daily and will be more adept at recognizing, containing, and resolving security problems. Sandboxing is a software virtualization technique that allows applications and processes to run in an isolated virtual environment. Honeypots are individual computers or networks created as a trap for intruders. Honeynet is two or more networked honeypots used together to simulate a network. Software developed to cause harm to a system is known as malware. Anti-malware are antivirus, anti-spam software, or code that is designed to detect and deactivate malicious software, including viruses, worms, and Trojan horses.